Welcome to the 5K5,
Let's go.
where we have a 5-minute segment on AI news and business news in today's world.
Yeah.
I am Mark, and I am being joined right now by
I'm Danny.
Danny.
I almost interrupted you. Don't know how to pod. Don't know how to podcast.
Heck yeah. So this is Danny, and he works with me at 5K. And you want to just explain, what you do and your role?
Yeah. I'm the director of SEO and paid traffic here at 5K. So oversee our SEO team, our paid ads team. So that's Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok, the whole thing. We're just getting everywhere. So been doing that for a couple years, almost 3 years. It's been awesome. Great team.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick, dude.
Yeah.
So the topic that we're going to introduce today is marketing within the manufacturing industry. And a lot of people in the manufacturing industry might overlook the power of, what AI can do for their marketing, and, just the different ways that marketing can help them. It's not just doing trade shows or, running ads. It goes way deeper into, what you can do for them. So yeah, what are your thoughts on marketing campaigns or marketing strategies that you have used within that industry?
Yeah, this is a great question. Exactly like you said, in today's day and age, it goes beyond trade shows, mailers, traditional marketing. In some ways, it goes even beyond what you can do from a quote unquote traditional digital marketing perspective. When I say that, I mentioned SEO, paid ads, all that stuff is excellent. The bread and butter very much still like successful digital marketing. But you mentioned AI. So like I kind of want to split it into 3 buckets.
Okay.
So there's one, which is, especially what we specialize in here at 5K is something very custom, right? We do an on-site, we come to your business, we find out truly what are the pain points and the bottlenecks you have. We automate something using AI where it's missing parts inventory, like helping you figure out what you need on your stockroom floor to actually help you move the needle. So something very custom. And I say custom because it really depends on what are your actual pain points, what bottlenecks you actually have. We come in, figure that out, leveraging the power of AI, but making it very laser focused for what you need. We help you not remove jobs from your company, not fire people, but like help you overcome those inefficiencies and obstacles that you're like, if I could just get that part figured out, I could focus on the things that actually move the needle for my business. Again, missing parts, whatever the thing is, right? We come in, leverage the power of AI, help you get that stuff sorted out so it's running efficiently. Now, finally, I can focus on the things that move my business, make us more money, really service our clients, right? Like that's one bucket, very custom using AI. We've done projects like that.
Yep.
The second bucket, I think that's a very tangible takeaway for someone listening right now where hey, I'm not even ready to schedule a business growth strategy session with 5K. What do I do? A lot of people have not really even harnessed the power of what's in front of them on their laptop or desktop, right? ChatGPT, Perplexity. You have access now to information that truly 5 years ago, 10 years ago, people would pay thousands of dollars for information.
Yeah.
So like a quick thing, you're an in-house marketing manager for a manufacturing company. And if you haven't done this, do this. Go to ChatGPT, go to Perplexity, use their research function and say, I'm an in-house marketing manager put your company's website in there, right? I need to figure out my target audience's pain points better. I want to get into their head. Help me understand who they are. Maybe you don't even have a great grasp on who they are.
Yeah.
That's a very real thing. I kind of know who my purchase decision makers are. I kind of don't. Let ChatGPT, Perplexity do that research for you. Pull together their pain points. Figure out how to talk to them, how to message to them. You will be blown away. For us, it sounds old hat as I'm talking about it now, but like you will be blown away, at the access of information, the information you have access to, rather, that like, hey, I don't have time to do surveys. I can't bring people in. I don't want to, like all of this stuff, like you'd have to do 20 years ago to figure out what are the pain points of my target audience. You can truly get that research now. And if you're thinking simply about, I don't know what content to create, I don't know how to message to them. Hey, even when I'm going to trade shows or I'm going like out there and talking to prospects, I feel like a little bit of a disconnect with how to connect to them. You can do that right now and you will gain a wealth of information that truly, like someone's probably going to charge you $30,000 10 years ago.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
To do.
Yeah.
So figure out their pain points. That's a huge one. Like you want to actually service their customers, right?
And to touch on that as well, like you can't just, take the first response that the AI gives you and say, "Oh, that's the only thing it can do." Like it sucks. It's not good. It's not what I want. You have to actually talk to it, and it's basic. Talk to it like it's a human being.
Play around with it. I didn't like that
Exactly.
response. That doesn't sound quite right. Or like, and don't worry about you having everything together with your prompt. Go to it, play around with it. That's a great point. It's honestly one of the biggest things that I think anybody using it for the first time experiences. They're kind of like afraid
Yeah.
to mess up with it. Don't be afraid of it. Like go into that, right?
Heck yeah.
The third bucket that I'll put in as well is like boost.5k.co/profit path, right? Like we have a tool now that'll be linked probably in the description of this video somewhere. Smash that like button as well if you're watching on YouTube.
Heck yeah.
Give us a follow. That like you go there right now, quick contact info, super easy. Put that in there. You have access to a tool that leverages AI, but it's like thousands. I mean, it's not an exaggeration, thousands of lines custom coded, leveraging AI to help you figure out using our profit path methodology, who your impact prospect is, right? Who's your target audience? Who am I really going after? What is your impact product? What's that thing that my manufacturing business offers that we can really push to those people that's going to help them? And then what's your impact magnet, your lead magnet? Like, how do we get their attention? How do we get them interested so we can show them what we really do to like help solve their pain points? So there's kind of like three buckets. There's the very custom one. There's one you can do literally right now. And also you can do the boost.5k.co/profit path right now too. But like, and there's so much more, but it's huge. And I think the biggest thing that we want to get across, even with 5K5, like everything we're doing here is get the gatekeeping out of the way a little bit, demystify the process so like you can actually help yourself. And then there's going to be those things where you're like, this is over my head. We got you. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's fantastic stuff, dude. So we're running past the 5-minute mark.
We started a little bit early though. So
yes, we did. So, but what would you say? This is the last thing. What would you say if the listeners could take away one thing from this episode, one thing only? What would be the most important thing for them to take away?
I'll answer that really quickly, but with two maybe. So one I'd say now is like, I'm going to actually make it three. Sorry. Go to ChatGPT, go to Perplexity if you haven't already. Get your target audience, figure out pain points. You're going to be blown away, right? Boost.5k.co/profit path. It's awesome. I think it's going to blow your mind. The second one too, this is something that like real world, we've spoken to plenty of manufacturing companies about when it comes to digital marketing, is figuring out you want to be where your target audience is, right? And so for manufacturing B2B, they often think Google ads, they think things like that. That's true. But like they're on Meta ads as well. And the number of times we've spoken to manufacturing companies and say like, your audience is on Meta, we're going to do Meta ads. They go, no, they're not there, right? But they are, because like your decision maker, your ops manager, whatever, they're still that even when they're scrolling Meta or Instagram at night before they go to bed. And you want to be top of mind. And we can oftentimes circumvent the like higher cost per click that might be on Google with interruptive traffic like Meta and Instagram. And we've gotten legitimate qualified leads, big leads for manufacturing companies from places like that. So you kind of do that, you leverage that, you figure out what the pain points of your target audience is, and you can grow your business.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining me on the 5K5, the first episode. And so we're going to do a deep dive with each team member, one-on-one, like what we did now. And we're just going to do that once a week or so and, put that out in blog posts and on YouTube and probably Spotify at some point or something like that. And so, this is the first episode, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.